Hello everyone. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Today, we're not just looking at houses. We're diving into an entire lifestyle known as modern desert oasis homes design. This style is all about creating a personal, sustainable sanctuary that stands in stunning contrast to the arid landscape, blending raw nature with high-end architecture. In this video, we'll define this unique aesthetic, explore its crucial benefits for hot climates, share essential tips for exterior decoration, and count down our top 10 most breathtaking designs that truly embody the desert oasis dream. Get ready to turn sand and stone into sheer elegance. A modern desert oasis home design is an architectural style specifically engineered to thrive in hot, arid climates while maintaining a sleek, contemporary aesthetic. It takes the key principles of modernism, clean lines, open floor plans, and flat roofs, and adapts them to the desert environment. The oasis part of the name refers to the core design goal, to create a cool, protected microclimate that offers refuge from the harsh sun and heat. This is achieved through strategic building orientation, the use of high thermal mass materials like concrete, rammed earth, and stone to absorb and slowly release heat, and the incorporation of cooling elements like shaded courtyards, deep overhangs, and most notably, water features like pools and reflection ponds. It's an intelligent and luxurious form of architecture that respects and responds to the rugged beauty of the desert. Choosing a modern desert oasis design offers a multitude of benefits, many of which are practical and sustainable. The most significant benefit is energy efficiency through passive cooling. By utilizing thick, dense materials like stone and stucco, the walls absorb the day's heat and keep the interior cool, dramatically reducing the need for constant air conditioning. Deep roof overhangs and carefully placed windows, often with low-E glass, shield the home from the harsh midday sun, further maintaining a comfortable internal temperature. Another major benefit is water conservation. True desert designs incorporate xeriscaping, landscaping with drought-resistant, native plants like cacti and succulents, and may include advanced water-saving technologies like greywater recycling and drip irrigation systems. This minimizes the home's environmental footprint in a water-scarce region. Finally, there's the unparalleled indoor-outdoor living experience. These homes are designed with expansive glass to frame the dramatic, ever-changing desert vistas, connecting the living space to the panoramic views while still offering essential protection. This seamless flow between the luxurious interior and the raw, beautiful exterior is what makes the desert oasis style so aspirational and emotionally restorative. Now, let's look at the best of the best, counting down from 10. Here is our ultimate list of the most inspiring modern desert oasis homes design ideas. 1. The cantilevered stone and wood oasis. This dramatic two-story home features a compelling mix of rough and smooth textures. The lower level showcases thick, textured sand-colored stone veneer walls, providing superior thermal mass, while the upper level is clad in warm, dark vertical wood paneling. The upper floor significantly cantilevers out to create a deep, protected patio area below. Expansive windows are strategically recessed. The outdoor deck is wide, made of rich wood planks, and features a minimalist spa or reflecting pool, contrasting the sandy, xeric garden elements. The design is robust, luxurious, and clearly built for sun protection. 2. The sculptural earth tone compound. This sprawling, luxury residence is a true study in desert materiality. The home uses massive stone columns and solid, earthy toned walls to create a sense of grounded permanence. The flat roof lines are staggered and deep, providing essential shade to the recessed windows. The architectural mass is broken up by strategically placed floor-to-ceiling glass and large stone chimneys, giving it a textural, yet sophisticated feel. The desert landscaping is mature, featuring various cacti, sagebrush, and large, natural boulders, perfectly blending the structure into the surrounding red rock canyon environment. 3. The elevated white box with xeriscape. This home exemplifies a desert minimalist approach. It's a clean, elevated rectangular structure with stark white stucco walls, highly effective at reflecting intense sunlight. The entire home is raised on a foundation, allowing for potential airflow underneath. The flat roof features a subtle parapet wall. The lower level consists mostly of floor-to-ceiling glass, opening up to a patio that features simple, sculptural planters filled with desert-tolerant plants. The entire design prioritizes geometry and a sleek, unadorned presence against the rough landscape. 4. The illuminated stone entryway. This entryway exemplifies the oasis concept with a focus on dramatic textures and a calming water feature. The main wall is covered in beautiful, multi-tonal stacked stone veneer, contrasted by smooth, pale stucco walls. A key feature is the modern waterfall fountain, which creates white noise and an immediate cooling sensation at the entrance. The low-slung roof features a dark metal fascia, and integrated lighting illuminates the path and highlights the textures. The landscaping is highly organized with low-water plants like ornamental grasses and succulents, set into black lava rock, framing the sleek paver driveway. 5. The monolithic stucco and wood retreat. This stunning single-story home is a perfect blend of mid-century modern lines and desert materiality. It features a long, flat roof with a significant overhang for passive cooling. The primary walls are a smooth, light-toned stucco or concrete, contrasted beautifully by a rich, dark horizontal wood screen. Floor-to-ceiling glass runs the length of the front facade, designed to capture views of the surrounding desert and the iconic palm trees. The low-profile structure and minimalist landscaping, featuring large rocks and low shrubs, allow the architecture to seamlessly integrate into the dramatic mountain backdrop. 6. The Desert Courtyard Sanctuary. This design features a strong, horizontal aesthetic with staggered volumes built from smooth, light-colored concrete and a warm, horizontal wood accent wall. The home is characterized by its large, recessed glass sliding doors that open to a private outdoor area, suggesting a sheltered courtyard or patio. The roofline is clean and flat, with a prominent overhang providing generous shading. The landscaping features minimalist stone paving and a few large, sculptural desert plants like agave, creating a tranquil, private sanctuary protected from the harsh desert winds and sun. 7. The horizontal timber and stone retreat. This home takes the classic mid-century ranch style and adapts it for the desert with rugged materials. It is a single level featuring a long, flat roofline with deep eaves. The exterior walls are a mix of light-colored, rough-cut stone and thin strips of warm, horizontal wood paneling. The living area opens directly to a paved patio and a bright turquoise pool, built into the sloping, rocky terrain. The landscaping is natural desert flora, including large cacti and yucca plants, offering visual interest without demanding excessive water. 8. The curved earth shelter home. This is the pinnacle of modern desert architecture, using organic, sweeping curved walls that mimic the surrounding sand dunes. The structure is low profile and deeply sheltered, with curved roof overhangs providing continuous shade. The exterior finish is smooth, earth-toned concrete or stucco, seamlessly blending with the sandy terrain. The design wraps around a series of custom, kidney-shaped pools with wide, minimalist pool decks, creating a striking visual of water and stone against the arid backdrop. This home uses its form to passively manage light, heat, and view. 9. The minimalist poolside pavilion. This single-story pavilion-style home is a study in restrained elegance. It features a striking thin, flat roof with a deep overhang, supported by slender columns and solid core walls. The walls are a smooth, light beige or sand color, allowing the home to disappear into the bright, desert environment. The structure opens almost entirely with large glass sliders to a wide wood deck and a sophisticated, rectangular pool. The surrounding landscape features native grasses and scrub brush, with natural stone steps leading up to the pool deck, emphasizing the seamless indoor-outdoor transition. 10. The terracotta courtyard oasis. This design is a modern interpretation of a traditional courtyard home, creating a lush internal sanctuary. The walls and deep overhangs are finished in a rich terracotta or reddish-brown hue, reflective of desert clay and maximizing thermal absorption and slow release. Expansive, black-framed glass walls open entirely onto a serene, central courtyard. The courtyard features a rectangular reflecting pool and a dense concentration of sculptural cacti and succulents, effectively creating a cool, humid microclimate and a visual barrier from the harsh exterior. The focus is entirely inward on the calm, protected space. Modern desert oasis homes design is a powerful testament to how architecture can adapt to and even enhance the harshest environments. It's a style that offers not only stunning luxury but also thoughtful, sustainable living. By blending high thermal mass materials with expansive glass and strategic shading, these homes truly create a cool, tranquil sanctuary in the sun. They prove that the desert is the perfect canvas for modern, resilient, and utterly breathtaking design. Which of these top 10 designs inspired you to build your own desert dream? Let us know in the comments below which home was your favorite, and what other extreme climate designs you'd like us to explore next.